Hello everyone, it's Polkadot Insider here, and welcome back to our educational video series. Today we walk into a new tutorial about Moonwell, an open lending and borrowing DeFi protocol built on Moonbeam and Moonriver. In this video today, we have an in-depth learning of how to lend assets or deposit assets to this platform. Let's check it out. But first, let's find out what Moonwell is and what the project is achieving. As we said at the beginning of the video, Moonwell is an open lending and borrowing protocol built on Moonbeam and Moonriver network. At present, Moonwell has two versions for two networks, including the first one is Moonwell Apollo, which has been deployed on Kusama's Moonriver network, the sister parachain of Polkadot's Moonbeam. And Moonriver is where new products are expected to be incubated and developed prior to being deployed on Moonbeam. And the main protocol is Moonwell Artemis, which is now live on Polkadot's Moonbeam network. After a period of development, Moonwell has been reaping many remarkable achievements, and prominent among them are more than 37 million USD in total supply value. Besides, Moonwell is also supporting borrowing and lending a variety of assets such as USDT, ETH, MOVR, FARX, BTC, KSM, USDC on Moonriver, and glmr, ETH, BTC, FARX, USDT, USDC, and DOT on Moonbeam. Okay, now to access to Moonwell's dapp, we click on the launch app button on the side of network you want, and in this video we'll try to experience Moonwell Artemis on the Moonbeam network. Then click on Connect Wallet to get access to Moonwell Artemis dapp. And at present, Moonwell is supporting several wallets such as MetaMask, Talisman, Subwallet, Coin89 Wallet, Rabbit Wallet, Wallet Connect, and Coinbase Wallet. And in this video today, we choose Subwallet to experience all the great stuff in Moonwell. Alright, before we start testing the deposit or loan feature on Moonwell, let's take a look at the user interface. In the front panel, we see an overview dashboard that provides full information, such as market overview, the total supply and total borrow, as well as the most supplied or the most borrowed. Next to that is a table showing our account, and here we know how much we are lending or borrowing, and how is our position held on Moonwell, and how much can we borrow. And on the far right is the portfolio that provides information about our activities on Moonwell. And when scrolling down, we see the main interface for Moonwell's lend and borrow feature. Today we use glmr for both of the features, and let's get started now. An important note is that we need to have glmr in our wallet to be able to start. And first we'll enter the amount of glmr that we will lend, and then click the button Deposit glmr. And to borrow glmr, we move to Borrow glmr section. And when borrowing, we can borrow against glmr or USD, depending on our need. And at this point, we can see some necessary information such as possible glmr to borrow, possible USD to borrow, and current glmr borrowed. And to borrow, we also need to enter the amount that we want and then press on the Borrow glmr. That's it. Simple, right? And that's a video about Moonwell, the decentralized money market on Moonbeam and Moonriver, as well as how to use this great protocol. And if you really enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Polkadot Insider for more insightful, interesting videos. Bye, see you next time.